Welcome student in third session from your textbook chapter number 3 atoms and molecules. Today we will continue this chapter. In last session we studied about the chemical formulae, formation of ions and how we have to obtain the chemical formulae by crisscross method. So today we are going to discuss about the molecular mass, gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass and mole concept. Clear? First, molecular mass. Just as an atom has atomic mass, in the same way a molecule has a molecular mass. So the molecular mass of a substance is the relative mass of its molecules as compared with the mass of a carbon 12 atom taken as 12 units. Okay. So the molecular mass of a substance indicates the number of times one molecule of the substance is heavier than 1/12 of a carbon 12 atom. For example, the molecular mass of hydrogen is 2, which means that a molecule of hydrogen is 2 times heavier than 1/12 of a carbon 12 atom. So the molecular mass is expressed in atomic mass unit. Okay. So now calculation of molecular mass. If the molecular formula of a substance is known, अगर आपको molecular formula पता है, its molecular mass can be calculated. तो आप easily molecular mass calculate कर सकते हो. Because the molecular mass is equal to sum of the atomic masses, means molecular mass equal होता है sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms, means all the atoms that present in the one molecule, means एक molecules में कितने atoms present, उनके atomic mass का sum that is equal to the molecular mass. Okay, for example H2O, this is a one molecule of water. ओके सो दैट हाइड्रोजन का वेट, हाइड्रोजन एटम का वेट एंड ऑक्सीजन एटम का वेट दोनों को जब प्लस करते देन वी विल गेट द मॉलिक्यूलर मास. क्लियर दिस वन. सो वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ वाटर H2O contains 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. The molecular mass of water will be equal to the sum of the masses of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atoms. Okay, so knowing that the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 unit, आपको पता है हाइड्रोजन का atomic mass कितना रहता है, 1 unit होता है. Okay, and that of oxygen is 16 unit, और oxygen का atomic mass कितना है, 16 unit है. So the molecular mass of water can be calculated. अब actually we have to write mass of hydrogen atom. What is the mass of hydrogen atom? 1 unit. So write here 1 unit. Now mass of 2 hydrogen atoms. अब एक hydrogen atom का atomic mass है 1 unit, तो 2 hydrogen atom का होगा 2 multiply by 1. Okay, then we will get the mass of 2 hydrogen atom, that is 2 unit. Clear this one. Mass of oxygen atom. What is the mass of oxygen atom? 16 unit. So write here 16 unit. And now molecular mass of water is, आपको पता है according to the definition, molecular mass is equal to sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms present. Now sum of them. So इसमें कितने atoms present है? 2 atoms present in one molecules. तो इसमें हाइड्रोजन का mass of 2 hydrogen atom, क्योंकि इसमें 2 hydrogen है. Okay, plus mass of oxygen atom. Okay, mass, put the mass of 2 hydrogen atoms, that is 2. Okay, and then mass of oxygen atom 16. Okay, then 2 plus 16 कितना हो गया, 18 units. Thus the molecular mass of water H2O is 18 unit. तो ये आपको किसका मास ऑब्टेन हो गया, ये molecular mass of water H2O कितना हो गया, 18 unit. Clear this one. Another example, calculate the molecular mass of sulfuric acid. So this is the formula of sulfuric acid, H2SO4. The molecular formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Okay, so this formula shows that one molecule of sulfuric acid contains 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of sulfur, 4 atom of oxygen. Okay, this 2 means this lower figure 2, 4, this indicates the number of atoms present in particular formula. Okay, clear this one. So the molecular mass of sulfuric acid will be equal to the sum of the masses of 2 hydrogen atom, okay, 1 sulfur atom and 4 oxygen atom. So knowing the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 unit, okay, and sulfur 32 unit and oxygen 16 unit. Clear this one. The molecular mass of sulfuric acid can be calculated, okay, by using this method. Okay, so molecular mass of sulfuric acid, mass of 2 hydrogen atom, mass of sulfur atom, mass of 4 oxygen atom. So यहाँ पे 2 hydrogen atom, that's why we written here 2 multiply by 1 hydrogen atom का mass होता है 1, so write here 1 plus Okay, mass of sulfur atom 32 unit plus mass of 4 oxygen atom 4 oxygen, that's why we written here 4 multiply by 1 oxygen का होता है 16 unit, so write here 16. Okay, now 2 multiply by 1 2 plus 32 plus 4 multiply by 16, that we will get 64. Okay, sum किया हुआ है, then we will get 98 unit. Thus the molecular mass of sulfuric acid is 98 unit. Now next, gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass. So in order to understand the mole concept, we should first know the meaning of the terms gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass. Okay, so let us discuss this two term first. Okay, so gram is the common unit of mass and its symbol is G. Clear this one? So the amount of a substance whose mass in grams is numerically equal to its atomic mass, okay, so is called gram atomic mass of that substance. In other words, the atomic mass of a substance expressed in grams is called its gram atomic mass. Means atomic mass of substance उसको जब ग्राम में express करते, so that is called the gram atomic mass. To write the gram atomic mass of a substance, we write its atomic mass and then replace the atomic mass unit U by the word gram, or its symbol is G. Okay. For example, atomic mass of oxygen is equal to 16 unit. तो ये atomic mass हो गया. U, it is a unit of that atomic mass. So gram atomic mass of oxygen is 16 gram. Means U means that atomic mass unit को replace करके आपको क्या write करना है यहाँ पे grams. Clear this one? And that symbol is small g. So the gram atomic mass of substance represent the mass of 1 mole of atoms, that is okay 6.022 multiplied by 10 raised to power 23 atom of that substance. Now gram molecular mass, the amount of a substance whose mass in grams is numerically equal to its molecular mass, okay, is called gram molecular mass of that substance. Clear this one? In other words, the molecular mass of a substance expressed in grams is called its gram molecular mass. So to write the gram molecular mass of a substance, we write its molecular mass and then replace the unit U by the word gram or its symbol G. For example, molecular mass of oxygen molecules, this is what oxygen, okay, so 32 because one oxygen atom का 16 रहता है और यहाँ पे 2 है, means that this is a molecules, so that is a 32 unit. So gram molecular mass of oxygen molecules is 32 grams. Clear this one? So the gram molecular mass of a substance represent the mass of 1 mole of molecules 6.022 multiplied by 10 raised to power 23 molecules, okay, of that substance. Clear this one? So the molar masses of a substance will be equal to the respective molecular masses expressed in gram per mole. Okay, so example, now molar mass of ethine C2H2, that is a formula, so that equal to the sum of the atom, that molecular mass, so C2H2. So mass of carbon, okay, and how many carbon atoms are there? 2, so write here 2, plus mass of hydrogen, so write here mass of hydrogen, multiply by, there is a 2 hydrogen, so write here 2. Now that mass of carbon is 12, so write here 12 multiply by 2, plus mass of hydrogen 1, okay, so write here 1 and multiply by 2. So 12 2s are 24 plus 2 1s are 2, so then 24 plus 2 we will get the 26 gram per mole. So this is the molar mass of ethine, that's C2H2. Clear this one? This we obtain the molar mass of particular substance. Clear this one? Next topic is mole concept. In chemistry, scientists link the mass of an element or a compound, okay, to the number of atoms or molecules present in them. Scientists count atoms and molecules by weighing them. It has been found by performing experiment that if we weigh an element equal to the atomic mass in grams, then it contains 6.022 multiplied by 10 raised to power 23 okay, atoms of the element. So now the gram atomic mass of the element as well as 6.022 multiplied by 10 raised to power 23 atoms of the element Both represent 1 mole of element. Similarly, if we weigh a compound equal to its molecular mass in grams, then it contains 6.022 multiplied by 10 raised to power 23 molecules of the compound. In this case, also 6.022 multiplied by 10 raised to power 23 molecules represent 1 mole of the compound. So thus mole is a link between the mass of atom or molecule, means वो atom का भी mass हो सकता है और molecule का mass भी हो सकता है, and the number of atom. तो a group of 6.022 multiplied by 10 raised to power 23 particles, means that atom, molecules or ions of a substance is called a mole of that substance. Thus 1 mole of atoms is equal to 6.022 multiplied by 10 raised to power 23 atom, ये, and 1 mole of molecules 6.022 multiplied by 10 raised to power 23 molecules. So it is obvious that we can have a mole of atoms or a mole of molecules of a substance. For example, oxygen atom is O and oxygen molecule is O2. Means oxygen atom को आप simply O से represent करते हैं, single O से, and molecule को आप represent करते हैं O2 से. So we can have a mole of oxygen atom and mole of oxygen molecule. So 1 mole of oxygen atom is 6.022 multiplied by 10 raised to power 23 oxygen atoms. Clear this one? And 1 mole of oxygen molecules 6.022 multiplied by 10 raised to power 23 oxygen molecules. So thus mole represent a definite number of particles. Mole क्या represent करता है? That is a definite number of particles, that is atom or molecules of a substance. This number of 6.022 multiplied by 10 raised to power 23 which represent a mole. तो ये किसको represent करता है? मोल को. और मोल क्या होता है? That is a definite, मोल क्या represent करता है? Definite number of particles, atoms और molecules of that particular substance is known as Avogadro number. तो इसको क्या कहते हैं? Avogadro number. Clear this one? What is the mass of 4 moles of aluminium atoms? Okay. So atomic mass of aluminium is 27 unit. The atomic mass of aluminium is given to be 27 unit. Okay. This means that 1 mole of aluminium atom has a mass of 27 grams. Now 1 mole of aluminium atoms 27 grams. Atomic mass of aluminium is 27 unit. ओके, सो यूनिट को रिप्लेस करके ग्राम यूज करते हैं इन द मोल. सो 4 मोल्स, अब मोल्स का फाइंड आउट करना है. 4 मोल्स ऑफ एल्यूमिनियम एटम्स इज इक्वल टू 27 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4. ओके, सो देन वी विल गेट द 108 grams. So thus the mass of 4 moles of aluminum atoms is 108 grams. Thank you.